Hi everyone, welcome to Decode Australia. Today is Thursday, 14th of January 2021. My name is Tamer.
My name is Yvonne.
And we're going to be starting with the pound-yen analysis.
The Great Britain pound rose against the Japanese yen on Thursday, increasing the price of the pound-yen to more than 141, ahead of the release of the UK's gross domestic product news.
Currently, this pair, the pound-yen, is trading around the 141.66 level. Looking at the chart, we can see the following resistance levels. That resistance 1 is the 142.05, which is the upper trend line arm. Second resistance is at 142.70, a key horizontal resistance level. Finally, the third resistance is at 144 even, a psychological number.
On the downside, the price of the pound-yen might find some critical support levels. Looking at the chart, the first support will be 140.33, which is the low of 11th of January 2021. The second support will be 139.96, which is the lower trend line arm, and the third support will be 138.99, which is the 61.8% Fibonacci level.
Okay, so we need to watch out for the UK gross domestic product news. The National Statistics UK plans to release these stats for the GDP this Friday, the 15th of January, and according to economists' view, the UK's GDP news reached a reading of negative 5.7% in November as compared to a reading of 0.4% in the previous month.
The UK's GDP news reflects an estimated overall value of total products, including goods and services produced within the country over the given time. It is considered an important economic indicator to measure the country's economic activity at a broader level. Generally speaking, the higher reading suggests a bullish market for the pound-yen pair ahead and vice versa.
In conclusion, given the macroeconomic outlook of this pair, buying it around the current levels might be a worthwhile decision in the short term. Now let's move on to the USCAD analysis.
The US dollar inched higher against the Canadian dollar on Thursday, increasing the price of the USCAD pair to more than 1.2600 ahead of the release of Bank of Canada's interest rate decision news.
Now this pair, the USCAD, is currently trading around the 1.2698 level, with the following resistance levels to watch out for. At resistance 1, we can see on the chart is at 1.2770, which is the high of December 31st. Second resistance is at 1.2814, a major horizontal resistance level. And finally, the third resistance is at 1.29 even, a psychological number.
On the downside, the price of the USCAD may find some critical support levels. Looking at the chart, the first support will be 1.2629, which is the major horizontal support. The second support will be 1.2600, which is the psychological number. And the third support will be 1.2564, which is the low of April 16th back to 2018.
So the Bank of Canada interest rate decision news. The Bank of Canada anticipates releasing these numbers concerning the interest rate decision on Wednesday, which is next Wednesday, January the 20th. According to economist consensus, the BOC interest rate decision news reached a reading of 0.25% in December compared to a reading of 0.25% the previous month.
The interest rate decision helps in quantitative easing. If the bank remains hawkish towards the inflationary outlook of the country's economy and raises interest rates, it signals economic growth. On the other hand, if BOC adopts a dovish view, it means economic contraction. Generally speaking, the higher reading suggests a bearish market for the USCAD and vice versa.
That's correct. In conclusion, considering the price movement of this pair over the past few days, selling it around the current levels might yield some short-term profits. And as always, trade with your head, not your heart. Always trade with what you can afford to lose, and at all times apply strict money and risk management techniques.
That's right. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook and our Instagram at Forex Decoded. Also, don't forget to like our videos and comment down below. Let me know what's your thoughts.
Thanks for watching. Bye for now.
Bye.